Welcome back to Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving deep into an exciting breakthrough that's sparking serious buzz in the professional photography world. Yes, the wait might soon be over for Nikon's next high-end mirrorless, Marvel. Let's break down all the emerging details about what could very well be the Nikon Z7 III, and why this camera might set a new standard for hybrid shooters. Wireless certification hints at a new model. A recent wireless certification uncovered a new Nikon device under the code N2410, and here's where it gets interesting. It supports 5 GHz Wi-Fi. That's a feature typically reserved for more powerful, professional-level gear, far beyond your standard entry-level setup. This has led many to believe that Nikon is prepping to release a serious upgrade, and it could be just around the corner. Is this the Z7 III? All signs point toward a potential successor to the Z7 II. With the Z6 III already making waves, and whispers of a Z9 refresh and a budget-friendly Z3 model on the horizon, Nikon seems to be gearing up for a big refresh across its mirrorless line. And based on past release patterns, a new product announcement might land as early as August or September 2025. Z7 III, what to expect? If this upcoming release is indeed the Z7 III, we're in for something special. The camera is rumored to bring major upgrades across the board, targeting professionals and advanced users alike. The main attraction? A possible 61-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, potentially sourced from Sony. That's the same resolution used in Sony's A7R FE, meaning razor-sharp detail, exceptional dynamic range, and a serious advantage for landscape, studio, and commercial photography. Image quality, autofocus, and AI. Nikon's proven color science combined with its next-gen image processor could deliver even more realistic tones and cleaner low-light shots. The autofocus system is expected to get a significant boost as well, featuring a 493-point phase detection system powered by AI subject tracking, perfect for wildlife and sports photographers who need speed and precision. Next-level stabilization. One of the standout rumors is a massive upgrade to in-body stabilization. We're talking about a jump from 5 stops to 8 stops of compensation, a game changer for handheld shooting, especially with long lenses or in low-light environments. Processing power and burst shooting. Under the hood, the Z7 III is expected to feature dual Expeed 7 processors, promising faster file handling, better noise control, and improved overall performance. And with rumored 20 FPS burst shooting, this camera may finally satisfy action photographers who've been craving speed and resolution in one body. A true hybrid, pro-grade video features. Unlike earlier models that leaned more toward photography, the Z7 III is said to embrace hybrid functionality. Anticipate 8K at 30 FPS with a crop, full 6K readout, 4K at 120 FPS, and possibly even 12-bit NRAW internal recording, all while managing heat efficiently, much like Nikon's Z8 and Z9. That would give creators serious flexibility without overheating interruptions. Design and durability. Physically, the camera is likely to retain a rugged magnesium alloy build, now with even better weather sealing. Expect a 3.2-inch 4-axis tilting touchscreen, a crisp high-res EVF, and an ergonomic layout designed for long shooting sessions in tough conditions. Pricing expectations. The Z7 III is expected to launch somewhere around $3,500 to $3,800 USD. That's slightly higher than the Z7 II at launch, but still comfortably under Nikon's flagship Z8, making it a sweet spot for serious enthusiasts and professionals looking for maximum value. Final thoughts. From what we know so far, this upcoming camera could be Nikon's most balanced release yet, delivering on both photography and video fronts. Whether you're shooting high-resolution stills, cinematic footage, or fast action, this model seems built to do it all. With fierce competition from Sony and Canon, Nikon seems ready to raise the bar once again. Stay tuned. As we count down to Datsubi, the expected reveal, be sure to subscribe and follow Technology in the Future for all the latest updates, leaks, and expert analysis on Nikon's next big move. Whether you're a pro, a creator, or simply passionate about cutting-edge camera gear, this is one release you won't want to miss.